What's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but that's because I was busy, couldn't work on the project, and maybe, well, I had other things to do. Better than programming, because programming is quite difficult and nobody likes it. But in my free time, I did manage somehow, some way, make collisions, and this is Devlog 2, and it's about collisions. Isometric collisions, of course. So the way I did this is because my game map is a 3D array. I could easily just say for layer, I don't know, 1, check if the neighboring tile is a 1. For my case, that's a wall. If the neighboring tile is a 1, then we're going to set self.player.bottom or whatever, or right or left is equal to true, and that's just the collision naming I had. Great. So to see if this actually works, let's go in game. So the first thing you will notice, I did change it quite a bit. No more bottom part, resembling a lot of Project Zomboid, if any of you know that game. And yeah, I did borrow some inspiration from that game, but that's not what we're here to talk about. So yes, also the player doesn't have a animation or image yet, but we're gonna work on that. If I were to place a wall down, as you can see, I cannot pass it. Yeah, I know, you just saw a bug. And yeah, sometimes it is buggy, but yeah, it is what it is. Maybe I could have used another system, but yeah, it's okay. And it works on the side too. Sometimes it's a bit buggy, but I'm trying my best to pass it through here. Yeah, you cannot pass. Yeah, anyways, yeah, that was the short devlog. I hope you guys stay tuned. Anyways, see you next time. Bye.